Okay, so welcome back to another 3D printing video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a name plaque. We're going to whip through this really fast so you guys can see the process and understand it. This is all using free programs that either came with a computer or you can get very easily. Right now I'm using just a word processor. What you're going to do is you're going to want to type out your name or the words you want. After you've done that, you're going to pick a font and you're going to want to pick a size of the font that you can see it close. You're going to want to zoom in on that. After you've gotten a good zoom in on that, you're going to use your snipping tool and you're going to select what you have made. After you've done that, you're going to open up a picture editing software. The one I like to use is Paint 3D. What you do there is you paste it. So Control V, paste the image that you got. Boom. Now you have an image of the words. Now, how are these going to stay together? They're all independent letters. Well, depending on the font, you can easily draw the lines in between and connect all the letters. Maybe it's cursive and it works already. But in this case, they're mostly all not connected. So I'm going to use, under 2D shapes, I'm going to create a line. And I'm going to draw that line from one side to the other to create a base. You need to line that up so that it's touching the letters enough so that the plastic is solid to the base once you've 3D printed it, because if it's loosely touching, it won't print very well. Boom. As you can see, the O is okay. I might darken that just a tad with the brush. Let's go black. Let's just kind of fill in there because I saw a little bit of light. After you've done that, you see the letters that hang lower than they're supposed to. Let's erase a small thickness so we can be very careful with it. That's good right there. That shouldn't affect it too much, that light difference. We're going to increase our eraser size, get rid of all this, because at this point it does more damage than it does good. The model will look fine without that fancy bottom part. So you want to get rid of all the extra stuff that's not going to work well with the 3D printer. Actually, it might work well with the 3D printer, but what the issue is that once you print it, it's not going to sit straight. So you want to make sure that whatever plaque you print, when you set it upright, that it will sit straight. And if you use a line, that's a really easy way to tell that it's sitting upright, because sometimes it can be harder to tell whether it's going to actually turn out right. So after you've completed that, you're going to save your model. You may want to go through and strengthen it by connecting stuff. Right here I could see you could use a tiny bit of connection. That way those letters are a little bit supported. Everything else is fine. The eye I'm going to work on in 3D Builder. After you've done that, you're going to want to save as an image. We're going to move into a file. I'm going to save it as Graythorn. It's easy. I'm going to override the one I had before because it was not nearly as good. After that, you're going to move into your 3D Builder, which your computer should have. It should be an empty scene. There should be nothing on it. You're going to click Open. Load image is what you're going to look for. You go to your images, there's the one you had just saved. Now you have the different options. The best one is contour. You're going to inverse this so you have just that. Now you want to figure out the right amount of levels for your project. The fewer levels, the more choppy it is. Also, this actually smoothness affects the choppiness. That's terrible, although it does have its own style. If you wanted to do that, you could. I like to go as smooth as possible so it's as close to the image as it is. Let's turn off textures so we can see what it looks like. I think that's pretty good. Let's import the image. One more thing I need to do is connect this eye. I'm going to insert some object and we're just going to scale this down. We're going to pop it in there as the shape we want so it connects it from the back side. What's nice about this is you print it exactly like this. You do not need to turn it on its side. If you did that, then it would have a much tougher problem with all the overhangs. You just want it like that. Super easy for your printer to handle, and it looks really good. After you've done that, you're going to save this as a 3D model. I like STLs. Don't save as the 3MF that's on your computer on the 3D Builder program. STLs are good, OBJs are good, but I like STLs because it's the basic standard format that I've been using. This is pretty much done. It's that simple of a process. You type it out, you copy the image, You make sure the image is in good shape, then you move it to your 3D builder where you convert that image into a 3D model. Really, really easy. After that, you slice it, you print it, and it's pretty much done. So I'll show you guys the final project. Okay, so I finished the 3D print and it's right here. So this is how it ended up. I just kept the thickness that it was with the presettings. I could have shrunk it down a little bit so it was thinner, but with this thickness it'll sit fine right on a table, and you can have that as like a name plaque. So you can make that for your friends. It's an awesome gift because it's customized. It kind of shows off one of the strong suits of having a 3D printer in that you can do things that are customized. And this is one of them. If you have somebody with a strange name and you can't find the right gift, you can make it yourself. So that's going to finish it up for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful at all, please leave a like. And if you'd like to check out any of my other videos, I'd love that you guys would do that. And just check them out. If you like those, leave it a like. And if you think you like it enough, hit that subscribe button because that's awesome and super helpful. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.